Looking to upgrade your workshop with a bench sander that delivers smooth, consistent results? In this video, we'll cover the top 5 bench sanders on Amazon, all tested for performance, power, and user satisfaction. Let's kick things off with the WEN6502T, one of the most popular benchtop sanders for hobbyists and professionals alike. This model features a 4.3 amp motor that powers both a 4x36-inch belt and a 6-inch disc, making it incredibly versatile. What makes the WEN6502T stand out is its cast iron base, which offers excellent stability, reducing vibration during operation. The belt can tilt anywhere from 0 to 90 degrees, allowing you to sand vertically or horizontally based on your project's needs. It also comes with a dust port, which helps keep your workspace clean. This sander is ideal for smoothing rough surfaces, shaping wood, and even sharpening tools. Whether you're working on cabinetry or small DIY projects, the WEN6502T offers consistent performance without breaking the bank. Next on our list is the BUCKTOOL BD4603, a reliable 4x36-inch belt and 6-inch disc sander with a solid aluminum base. Equipped with a 3/4 horsepower motor, this unit is built for durability and ease of use. One feature users love is how quickly and easily the sanding belt can be changed. No need to struggle or disassemble anything. The sanding belt also tilts from 0 to 90 degrees, which adds flexibility for sanding at different angles. This model is perfect for small to mid-sized woodworking tasks. Whether you're smoothing hardwood or shaping soft pine, the BUCKTOOL BD4603 provides steady, even pressure. It's a great pick for users who want a simple, no-fuss machine that consistently gets the job done. If you're looking for something with more power and capacity, the BUCKTOOL BD61000 should be on your radar. This heavy-duty sander is equipped with a 1.5 horsepower induction motor and features a larger 6x48-inch belt alongside a 10-inch disc. Designed for professionals and serious woodworkers, it offers a direct drive system that minimizes vibration and increases efficiency. The belt runs horizontally or vertically, allowing for flexibility in how you sand large workpieces. This model also includes an adjustable work table and dual dust ports for efficient dust collection. If you often work with hardwoods or large panels, the BD61000 offers the kind of smooth, powerful performance that speeds up your workflow while delivering excellent surface finishes. For a reliable mid-range option, the VEVOR 4x36-inch belt and 6-inch disc sander is a solid pick. It's powered by a 5-amp motor and includes a cast aluminum table, making it both durable and relatively lightweight. This model is well suited for both wood and light metal sanding tasks. One of its most appreciated features is its quiet operation, which is a pleasant surprise for a bench sander in this price range. The belt tracking is accurate out of the box, and the machine maintains steady speed during extended use. It's perfect for hobbyists and intermediate users who need dependable performance without paying top dollar. The VEVOR sander delivers smooth finishes and reliable sanding depth for most day-to-day projects. Finally, for those working in smaller spaces or on more detailed tasks, the TROPOW 1x30-inch belt and 5-inch disc sander is an excellent compact solution. It features a 2.1 amp motor, making it best suited for light-duty sanding, edge shaping, and hobby work. Its small footprint is perfect for cramped workbenches or portable setups. The TROPOW sander is particularly effective when working on intricate pieces, craft wood, or small plastic parts. While it doesn't have the brute force of larger models, it makes up for it with precision and ease of use. For hobbyists or beginners, this is an accessible, budget-friendly option that's ideal for getting started without sacrificing too much in performance.